Ever wished you could have the power of both Windows 11 and Ubuntu on your machine, choosing which one to use at startup? Well, buckle up, because in this video, we're going to make that happen. First, we need to shrink the Windows partition so we have space for Ubuntu. You can do it by utilizing the built-in Windows Disk Management tool. Right-click on your C drive, and select Shrink Volume, then enter the amount of space you want to allocate. For Ubuntu, remember to convert GB to MB when specifying the size. Following that, click Shrink. Next, you'll need to grab the Ubuntu ISO file from the official Ubuntu website, then create a bootable USB drive using a tool like Rufus or Balinature. Now reboot your computer and boot to the bootable USB. The system may boot differently depending on what kind of system setup you have. It could be F2, delete, escape, or something else in the BIOS. Make sure Secure Boot is disabled and that the boot order is set to the USB drive. Finally, save and exit BIOS. Once the Ubuntu installer loads, select Install Ubuntu. Next, you'll choose your language and continue. Select your keyboard layout, and then choose Normal Installation with Download Updates. While installing Ubuntu, click Continue to proceed. On the installation type screen, if the installer detects Windows, you'll likely see an option to install Ubuntu alongside Windows. Select that option, and then slide to adjust how much space you want for each operating system. Alternatively, you can choose something else to manually create partitions. If you want more control, then choose your time zone. Next, enter your user information, your name, a computer name, and your password, then click Continue. Ubuntu will now install. Once it's done, you'll be prompted to restart. After the restart, you should see the boot menu, giving you the option to choose between Windows and Ubuntu. Your dual booting system is completely set up to enjoy your two operating systems.